Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Mailchimp from PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Mailchimp from PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. So you want to be sure to unlink your Mailchimp, whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's going to be handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Mailchimp, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you'll see these three options, but you want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see a menu on the left, and you want to scroll down until you see, all right, once you click there, you're going to see the Mailchimp logo. And first thing you want to do is go ahead and delete the API key and also the Mailchimp list ID. Okay, once you've deleted both of them, go ahead and uncheck this box. It says yes, make sure it says no, and then you want to click on the green save button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Mailchimp has been disconnected. You're also going to see a green pop-up confirming up here on the top right, but it went by pretty quick. Now, if we turn it back on, you can see the API key and Mailchimp list ID is no longer appearing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Mailchimp from your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.